Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are very well. So, children, as we know, our term 1 exam is over. So, this is the correct time to grasp some new knowledge or understand some new concepts and things. So, from today onwards, we are going to start our term 2 syllabus. Okay, children? So, everyone, open your Fusion Sem 2 textbook. From today onwards, we are going to start a new chapter of maths, and the name of the chapter is subtraction. So everyone open the page number 81 in your Fusion Sem 2 textbook. Okay, children? So the first thing about the subtraction, when we hear the word subtraction, we should know about the what is the meaning of subtraction. So children, the meaning of subtraction is taking away. The another meaning of subtraction is to remove something, or we can also say that subtraction means how many are left over when we remove it. Okay, suppose if we have four objects, and when we remove one object from it, here we have four objects, 1 2 3 4, and when we remove one object from it, so how many are left over? Only 3. So these properties are known as subtraction. We can also understand subtraction with some more examples. Okay, so children, be ready. Okay, and let's start learning. Okay, children, so now as we know that the meaning of subtraction, to remove or to taking away. Okay, suppose here we have for example 1 of subtraction. Here we have 1 2 3 4. How many doggies are there? 4 doggies are there. Okay, suppose one doggy move outside for taking the food, in search of food. Okay, one doggy move outside for searching of food. So how many doggies are left behind? So how many doggies are left behind? 1 2 3. So the remaining number of doggies will be 3. Correct? Okay. Now this will be our second example. Okay, so for example, there is a one city in which 6 buildings are there. How many buildings? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 buildings are there. Now what happened? Because of some natural disaster, the 2 buildings collapsed. So because of a natural disaster, 2 buildings are collapsed. So how many buildings are left behind in the city? So how many buildings are left behind? Count it. 1 2 3 4. It means there are 6 buildings in the city, but because of natural disaster, 2 buildings are collapsed. So the remaining buildings are 1 2 3 4. So this process is known as subtraction. Okay, now this is the another example for understanding the meaning of subtraction or process of subtraction. Okay, children, suppose there is a one park, and in the park the various animals are there. Okay, so let's count the total number of animals. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here we have 8 animals. But what happened, children? There are some animals who feel thirsty, and they move outside for searching of water. There are 3 animals who feel thirsty, and they move outside for searching of water or for drinking the water. Okay, he feel very thirsty, so he move outside for search water. He also feel very thirsty. He also move outside in search of water. He also feel very thirsty. He also move outside for search of water. So how many animals are left behind? How many animals are left behind? Count. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Only 5 animals are left behind. So this process of is known as subtraction. When we take away anything or when we remove anything, then such process is known as subtraction. Okay, so now everyone open your textbook, page number 81. So children, we also learn that the subtraction means taking away. Okay, so we can understand some more example. For example, here we have there are 10 apples. Okay, there are 10 apples. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 7 apples are put on the plate and 3 are left behind. So 3 apples are remaining. Okay. In the same manner, there are 8 toys on the floor. 3 toys are kept on the shelf and 5 toys are remaining or left behind. So this is the meaning of subtraction. Now everyone come to the exercise. Okay, practice time. It is on page number 84. So everyone open your page number 84. Now read the statement. Fill in the boxes. We have to fill the boxes. So 4 takes away 2. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4 we have to take away 2. So when we take away 2, how many grapes are remaining? 1, 2. So how many grapes are remaining? 2. Write down 2. Okay. Now 6 takes away 3. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From which we have to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many are left behind? 1, 2, 3. It means 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. And children, just like addition, for addition we have symbol plus. But for subtraction we have symbol, and we call such symbol as minus. Okay? Yes. Okay, come to the next exercise. 8 take away 5. Okay, here we have total number of object is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From which how many numbers we take away, or how many objects we take away? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many are remaining when we take away 5? How many are remaining? Count 1, 2, 3. So here we have 1, 2, 3. So it will be 8 minus 5 will be 3. Okay. Next figure, 6 take away 4. From 6 we have to take away 4. So total number of apple will be 6. Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many apples are remaining? Only 2. See, here we have 2. So write down 2. Okay. Now come to the second question. Cross out and subtract 1 has been done for you. Okay. So here we have 8 minus 4. It means from 8 we have to take away 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer will be 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Okay. Come to the next question. 9 minus 3. It means total number of sharpener will be 9. You can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. From which you have to remove how many sharpeners? 3. So cut it. 1, 2, 3. So how many sharpeners are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 will be 6. Okay. Now, here we have backpack. How many backpack we have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1. It means 6 take away 1. So, cut 1 backpack. How many backpacks are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, write down 5. Means 6 minus 1 is equals to 5. Okay. Now, here we have 7 thermos. You can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to take away 1 from it. Okay. So cut 1 thermos. How many are left behind? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can write it here 6. So children, it means 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. Okay. Now count the pencils. Total number of pencils will be 10. You can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. From 10 you have to take away how many pencils? 6. So cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left behind? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 10 minus 6 is equals to 4. Now come to the third exercise, third question. Subtract the following numbers, then match the answers with the numbers in the column on the right side. Okay, so children, you have to complete it. How you can do it? Firstly, count the numbers of Otto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number will be 5. Okay, from 5 you have to take away 2. So 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. And 3 is equals to here. You have to match the numbers with that column. Okay, so everyone start. Here we have how many cars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of cars will be 6. Okay, and from 6 you have to take away. Here we have symbol of minus. Now minus means take away. So how many cars you take away? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you take away from 6, when we take away 4 cars. Okay, here we have 6. From 6 we take away 4 cars. So how many cars are? 1, 2, 3, 4. When we take away 4 cars, how many cars are remaining? 1, 2. Only 2. So this so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equals to 6 minus 4 is equals to or 6. From 6 when we take 2, how many numbers are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 6. Here we have 6. When we from 6 when we take away 4. So how when we take away 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many numbers are remaining? 2. On the right side column where we have 2, here we have 2. So match it. Okay. Now next. Number of bicycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Minus 1. Write it 1. Okay. So when we from 5, when you take away 1 bicycle, how many bicycle are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have 5 object and when you take away 1 from it, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Match it with the column. Here we have 4. Okay. The last. Now how many buses are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 buses are there. And from minus 1, 2. So from 3, when we take 2 buses, how many are remaining? Only 1. From 3, when you take 2, 1 will be remaining. So it will be 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. Match it to the column. Okay. Now last. Here we have how many scooters? Count it. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8 minus 1, 2. 2. So when you remove 2 scooter from this image, 8, remove 2. Okay. 1, 2. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 minus 2 will be 6. Match it to the column. Okay. So this is your question number 3rd. Okay. Now come to the exercise fun time. Okay. Here we have to put a plus or a minus sign in each box. Okay. So we have to find out whether they are we add it. We can find it with the help of addition or subtraction. So children, when the numbers are increasing, when we add this up, for example, how many stars in first column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. If we add, so number will be 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. And when and if they remove, so the number will be 3. So let's count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the numbers are increasing now. Here we have 5, here we have 2, but here we have 7. So numbers are increasing. It means here we have to do the addition. So it will be plus. Okay. Next, find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In first column we have 7 star. second 1 2 3. In third column 1 2 3 4. It means the numbers are decreasing now. If we add, suppose here we have 7. If we add 7 plus 3, so it will be 10. But here we have less number. So it means from 7 we take away 3 stars. And from 7 if we take away 1, 2, 3 stars. So how many stars are remaining? 4. So it will be minus. Okay. Here we have 4 star. Here we also have 4 star. Here let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the numbers are increasing. It means we add both the columns. Okay. Now last, find out. Here we have 6 and here we have 3 and again here we have 3. It means when from 6 we take away 3, then it will be 3 now. So it will be minus. Okay. Okay, so children, today we'll learn about the how we can perform the subtraction. Okay, so everyone complete the exercise with the help of the given PDF and revise it. Okay, in the next period we learn more about the subtraction or some more concept. Okay, till then stay safe, stay healthy and keep practicing.